What are the project management fundamentals that project managers should know? Wow, that's a pretty big question. The reason that's such a big question is because project management today is evolving. Once upon a time, when you had a project, you simply used the waterfall method. You planned in the beginning and then delivered everything after. So each phase was planned and developed, and then you moved on to the next phase and you plan and develop, etc. Or maybe you had an iterative project where you worked on small deliverables and small time frames and you modified as you went. Well, project management, as I mentioned before, is evolving. So now there's lean project management and scrum project management and incremental project management. Yes, you still have to manage to scope, time, and cost, but the way you get there now is a lot different than the way you got there before. A project manager needs to understand how to adapt their project to work toward that end in the most efficient way possible. It might start off waterfall, but then you may need to do some things in an iterative type of fashion. And then maybe you'll do some things in increments. And then maybe back to waterfall. So any good project manager needs to understand the variety of different frameworks that need to be adapted to get to the best deliverable possible. Now, we're not expecting every project manager to be familiar with every discipline, but they do need to at least have a working knowledge so they can work to the best and most efficient way toward that end.